Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple professional website for a locksmith. It's only $9 a month to use this platform. It has all types of different small business website themes. So today we're going to use the Locksmith one. So I'm just going to go to Mighty Sites, search for Locksmith. Here it is. So I found the template. All I need to do, again, this platform is really easy to use. It's only $9 a month. I'm going to type in Locksmith Business. And then you would just put the name of your business there, Denver, Colorado. And then let's do the business type. This is a service business because you're providing a locksmith service. Click continue. As soon as I do that, it's going to automatically generate a simple professional website template for my business. So you can see as I scroll through here, it's got all of these images already pre-licensed for me to use, a contact form to generate leads. I can change the colors right away. So if I want to change it to maybe like a blue theme, or perhaps I like a navy blue color palette or green, right? Just depends on what type of branding I have for my business. I can just simply and easily go through the different templates and select the one that makes the most sense for my business. So I'll stick with this red and black one for now. Or you know what, actually I want to try another template too. We had a pretty cool theme here that was the black and white theme. So again, I can just thumb through and find the theme that works best for me and then get started on making edits. So you can see here, now I've got a professional website, simple professional website for my locksmith business. Next thing I'm going to do is just make some basic updates. So I want people to be able to contact me. So I'm going to add my email address right here, have it be shown on the website. I'm going to add my phone number. Going to add that too, save those, close. Now my email and phone number are shown on the site. I can also go over here and add my social media link. So if I have like a Facebook page, type that in here, and then you could just copy and paste your link to your Facebook page, and now my Facebook page is included as well. I can go over here, I can add new menu items really easily. Just type to add them, choose where it links, add them to my menu. I can go over here and update my logo at any time too, update my business information. So if you don't have a logo, I'd recommend checking out canva.com. It makes it really easy to create a logo. So I just go over here, click on logo, and then let's just see what they have for locksmith. Here we go. So they actually have a pre-made template for locksmith. So that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to type in locksmith logo, and then I'm going to download this. Download it as JPEG because that's better file type for websites. So I'll go over here, browse, and here's my locksmith logo. I'm going to upload that. And now as soon as it uploads, I can actually choose to save it, and then I can either make it bigger, make it smaller, just depending on what I need to do. And I'm going to actually click on this pencil icon. And I'm actually just going to kind of scroll this down, scroll this up, maybe put this together. So this image and logo editing software is built right into the platform. So you can add filters, you can annotate, you can decorate or add frames. You can do all types of things to any logos or images that you add to the site. So I just wanted to crop the logo a little bit. And once I do that, I'm just going to save it again. And there we go. So the logo is a little bigger now. I kind of like that look a little better. So now you can see my logo, but again, I can make it smaller, I can make it bigger, play around with different logos too. The buttons are really easy to use. So now I've got this going. You can see here, now I'm at the hero image, so I can do a bunch of different things here. If you want people to like view your prices for services, maybe you can upload a PDF that has your prices on it. That could be what your call to action button is here, view our prices, or you could go over here and just change this to something like call now, because maybe a lot of your customers are in need of services, and you can change this action button to actually call your business right away. So now if somebody's on their phone and they come to my locksmith business website and they click on call now, it'll call my business. And the other thing you could do, you could also have that go to your lead form, which maybe I'll just show you that for the other form. So you can also edit any of the text for the hero image. So you just say, like repairing all types of locks. So maybe repairing locks and vehicles, right? Maybe something like that. Or let's just say repairing, maybe you specialize in vehicle locks, right? 24-hour emergency service, if that applies. Or you could just say even something like fast, service, and reliable. right? So you can just simply edit the main hero on your website too. So that's really easy to do. You can go down here to the contact us, and you could have that, again, link to call you, or if you want, you can have that link down to the lead form section. So I'll just confirm and save. And now if somebody clicks on contact us, it brings them right here to submit themselves as a lead for your business. You can also edit any of the about section or browse and upload new images. So I'll just put here, this is how you make a website for a locksmith, right? And I'll just save that and close it. So now that's included there. That's super easy to do. When somebody is in need of your services, they can fill out this form right here too. So I'll just add my name, my email address, and then a message, I need help with a lock. And then I'll just click send. And now as the customer, I'll get this little message here saying thank you. And then you, as the owner of the website, if I go stop editing, you can see what the website looks like without those update buttons. Looks really simple, nice, professional, clean website for your business. And if I go to the site dashboard, I can see that lead that just came through too. So I can see their name, contact information, so I can give them a call and help them out. Now you can also connect a custom domain. So I can go right here, use Google Domains, GoDaddy, domain.com, any of those. Just go in and paste them in right here, and you can connect them right back to your website. This little wizard will provide you with instructions to provide to your registrar too. So it's really simple and easy to do to connect your domain to your website. So just like that, if you ever want to go back and make edits, it's really easy to do right here. But it's only $9 a month. There's a 7-day free trial. So go ahead and give it a try. And I think this will be a great way for you to build a professional website really easily for your locksmith business.